Hi. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly launch your own VPN server using Outline on HOSTKEY. We'll go through the full process, from ordering a VPS to your first successful connection on Windows using the Outline client. Let's get started. To order a server, open the control panel at invapihostkey.com. Go to the New Instant Servers tab and choose Virtual Servers. For Outline, the minimum configuration is enough. Next, open the Software tab, go to the Security section, and select Outline. Optionally, you can enter a server name and set a password that's convenient for you. Then choose your billing period. Longer terms come with higher discounts. In this example, we choose 1 month and click Order. Now wait for the server deployment to finish. The server is ready. Outline doesn't have a web panel. Everything is managed via SSH. To connect over SSH, you'll need the server IP address and the server password. You can find the IP in the server card under the Network tab, and the password is sent to your email after the server is deployed. Open the Network tab and copy the server IP address. Connect using a terminal. Here we use conemu, but you can use any SSH client. Type root your server IP and press Enter. Confirm the connection, then enter the server password. It's important to know that Outline has 2 main components: Outline Manager for administrators and Outline Client for end users. Outline Manager is used to add the server, manage user access, and monitor usage. Outline Client is available for Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and Linux. In this video, we're demonstrating Windows. Now we'll retrieve the Outline Server API key. In the terminal, run the command cat outline API key.txt, then copy the entire output string shown on the screen, including the curly braces. Next, go to getoutline.org and download Outline Manager. Select your operating system and click Download Outline Manager. Install and launch it. In Outline Manager, click Add New Server. From the installation options, choose Setup Outline Anywhere. Paste the string you copied from the terminal, then complete the setup and click Done. After a successful connection, your server will appear in Outline Manager and you'll immediately see an access key. If you open Settings, you'll also see your server's IP address. To share access with someone, click the Share icon. You can copy an invitation link or an access key. We'll use the access key. This is what you or your users will import into Outline Client to connect to the server. Now install Outline Client. It's available on the same website, getoutline.org. Open the app, click the plus button, paste the access key, and click Confirm. Then click Connect. To verify the VPN is working, open any IP check website. You'll see that your current IP matches your server's IP, meaning the connection is successful. Your VPN is now ready to use. As you've seen, deploying Outline is fast and straightforward. The key advantage is control. You run your own VPN without third-party providers or dependence on someone else's infrastructure. With HOSTKEY, it's even easier. You can deploy a server in the location you need, get stable networking with transparent terms, and rely on 24/7 support when you need help. HOSTKEY, your infrastructure, your rules. The link is in the description.